Good morning, Paul Halter with your morning mortgage moment. Thank you for taking a few minutes to listen this morning and give some thoughts to our industry tips. This morning I want to talk about buyers getting mortgages, and that we have available today some excellent products at some really low interest rates. And as we've talked earlier, are rates going up? I don't think so. There's pretty good evidence that it's going to hold steady or where we are for some time. So it's a great time to buy at a little low cost. Prices are good. And so the critical thing is to, get all the documents done, sign all the contracts completely, put all the data in. If you're not getting nitpicked by us or the underwriter, there's something wrong. I heard about today a credit union having to buy back a loan after 10 years from Fannie Mae because somebody did not document one of the deposits that were in the file, and they said that we weren't sure the money came from the right place, and they made the credit union buy that loan back. So we are documenting heavily. There is a lot of issues with lenders having to make sure they dot I's and cross T's. Sometimes we do it wrong, and we're doing the best we can, and I'm sure that buyers are tired of that. So help us as a team player. Encourage them to give us the data we need to make that security as complete and answer all the questions that we can, because that's what makes a good loan today. Have a great day. Thank you for listening to your mortgage moment, and call us to pre-qualify your buyers early, and let's start that process where it doesn't become a nightmare at closing. People that know what they're doing are more important than ever before in this industry, or you will have miserable times continually in the business you do. So we have experience, we've been here, we know how to do it. Give us a call and let us pre-qualify your buyers. 904-349-1200. Thank you.